You want to grow your Twitch channel fast in 2024? Buying Twitch followers is the quickest way to attract real viewers and boost credibility. But where should you buy from? At followerspanda.com you can get high quality Twitch followers instantly, helping you rank higher and gain organic traction. In this video I will walk you step by step on how to buy Twitch followers on followerspanda.com. So let's get started. Okay guys, so now let's go to followerspanda.com. So this is the website where we need to buy the followers. Okay, so this is the website. Don't forget to register, and I added my balance here in my wallet on this website. So let's go to Twitch services and click on buy Twitch followers. Okay, so now let's scroll down, and here you're gonna find all the pricing plans. So it starts from 100 followers to 10,000 followers. So each plan has its own pricing. So for example, in this video I'm gonna choose only 100 followers. So what I need to do now is to click on buy now. Okay, so buy now. So now let's go to this page. This is called the checkout page. So all you need to do is to enter the username of your Twitch channel. So what you need to do, and then your email. So here you can switch the number of followers. Okay, I'm gonna add the, here I have 148 followers, so I'm gonna take the username of my Twitch channel, and here I'm gonna enter the email. This is required to access order data. Okay, so after confirming, let's click on proceed to payment. Here we have the payment method, so choose your payment method, for example credit card or PayPal or with crypto. So for example choose crypto and click on pay with wallet. So it depends on you. Okay, for me I already added the money to my balance. So as you can see, payment is succeed, and now they said here click here to view your order. So I'm gonna click here. Okay, so this is my order, and make sure that in 1 minute to 2 minutes you're gonna start receiving followers, and you just can refresh the page to see if it's processing. Okay, so here you have order confirmation, your email. So yeah guys, now let's go to our Twitch channel, and as you can see we have 218 followers. They just got us the followers. Okay, so this is the video guys. I hope it was useful to you, and don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.